Plunge Magoo coming at you here on day 72. Cold plunges for pre-orders. Beautiful sunrise. See if we can come over here and maybe you can start to see it. Look at that, huh? Pretty fucking nice. It is 25 degrees out. According to my weather app, feels like 11. We were hoping for single digits today, but we haven't gotten there yet. And with that gust of wind, I'm going to hold the tripod here so it doesn't fucking fall over. And as these move on into the winter months, we are going to have to do them faster because it's fucking cold out here. Day 72, David Alexander, center, Philadelphia Eagles, game day during the Buddy Grind years. And it is game day, so that's why we are decked out in our gear, because our mental health depends on 53 men who will be meeting on the gridiron today at 1 p.m. Today's whiskey of choice, Tullamore Dew, one of my favorite Irish whiskeys. And we're holding the tripod again. We just need to get in the fucking water, don't we? Before this thing blows over. Alright, so let's crunch down so you can see me. Let's do that. And now, we shall do this. Woo! Whew, we made it. We live to plunge another day. That sunrise. Hey, come follow me. Pretty fucking nice, huh? Cold as shit. Go birds. See you tomorrow.